Alright, well, in the last clip, I don't know if you saw the bubble run through the air line, or the fuel line, but I did drain the fuel line, and it ran out of fuel just as I was touching the ignition wire to see if there was a way, or to check and see if where it was rubbing on the muffler it had started to melt or anything. So that's, I guess, the last touch on this. I'm gonna figure out a way to maybe get this ignition wire so it doesn't touch the muffler. But another thing I've noticed is this big bracket here transmits a lot of heat into the fuel tank. So that's okay, but for extended runs, I'm sure eventually it'll start boiling off fuel. But it ran real nice today, and I didn't have to adjust the needle at all, so I think that carburetor is finally sorted out. And the ET8 is turning into a nice little engine again.